Welcome to Style and Shine, a segment of Her Crown where I give you a full catalog of styles that you can use to style your Microlocs or Sisterlocs for different occasions. Today's style is a simple Fulani head wrap tutorial, so let us jump straight into it. Hey guys, so this is Jennifer here from Her Crown. You're so welcome. Now jumping straight into the tutorial, if you have any Ankara material lying there, you can use it for this tutorial. So I cut a rectangular piece of carton, yes, and as you can see, it's an Indomie carton. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to pack my hair into a low ponytail. So you need to do this because obviously you don't want your hair to obstruct the style. So that's the first thing I'm doing in this video. By the way, this style is fire. So if you want to see styles like this, please subscribe to the channel. And yes, let's just continue. I am now done with packing my hair in a low bun and it's time to tie the head wrap. So using this Ankara piece I have that is matching my top, I'm going to attach a carton. As you can see, this is an Indomie carton. So any carton you have, just cut it into a rectangular shape that can fit the circumference, or let's say half circumference of your face, and use that. Now I put the carton into the Ankara material and I simply covered it and put it over my head. As you can see, most times all these videos you just need to just observe because it's pretty simple and straightforward. Now as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that the carton Ankara is well positioned, right? And now I'm going to tie it at the back to secure it. Now that I'm done tying it at the back, it's time to make adjustments. So as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that the carton is in place. I'm adjusting the shape, I'm adjusting where I want it to be placed. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to put in those pieces of material sticking out. This is to give me a neater look. So basically I'm just going to carry it and just literally chuck it into where I secured it as a knot. So once I'm done with that and when I'm satisfied, I will show you all the final look. So now guys, we are all done. Is this giving or is it giving? For me, it's giving a 10 over 10 minus nothing. Like, I love it so much. It is, this Fulani head wrap is one of the ways to just upgrade your look without doing so much. Like literally, you need to give off a rich auntie vibe. You need to go somewhere where you need to dress a little. You're going to church, anywhere. Like, you could literally do this style and just look so classy, so beautiful. You don't have to put any other thing on your head. Like, this is literally your Microlocs, like, packed. Like, I don't know why I'm dancing in this video, but like, I'm just so happy. I'm like, yes, like, step into the building. This is beautiful. So I love it so much. If you want to see more styles like this, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I pop videos like this, you'll be the first person to know. All right, I'm just going to keep doing me. I'm sure you guys love it. I love it too. So I'll see you guys definitely in the next one. Bye bye.